Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing this Gillette SkinGuard replacement razors. It's an 8-pack, 8 cartridges for sensitive skin. These are really nice. I have to say, seriously, I used the Mach 3 for most of my life, and then I accidentally got one of these Gillette SkinGuards, and oh man, it helps prevent cuts. The SkinGuard technology is super good. So let me open this. I think I'm going to be changing from Mach 3 to Gillette SkinGuard from now on. Really nice, seriously. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can get these from, where I got this from. But really, if you get like scrapes, cuts, Gillette SkinGuard is where it's at. It has this like, I don't know how to describe it, but it doesn't cut your skin, so it really does seem like it protects you from getting nicks and cuts, which I just thought you have to get, but these are awesome. So yeah, I'll drop again a link in the video description where you can get these from. Let me know what you think of these in the comment section compared to Mach 3, and let me know if you like any other razors that don't give you nicks and cuts. Yeah, cool. All right, everyone, hope you're doing well. Take care. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.